You don't have to talk. You just sit next to me.
I'm just gonna sit there. I think I should be promoted to schedule maker.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll put you in the kitchen.
No, I don't want to be in the kitchen. I want to be schedule maker. I feel like I'd be really good.
It's not as easy as you think. Everyone asks for shifts, so you have to appease everybody.
No, I know. I feel like I'd be really good at it.
I used to ask Andrea, Andrea, what was it like when you had to make the schedule?
She liked it. I was talking to her about it.
No, she did.
I was talking about it.
She hated when people complained to her, and then no one was ever happy. It's about being fair. Like delivery drivers, I have 6 drivers. Everybody wants the high-profile shifts. Everybody wants to work Friday nights.
I would give everyone one
Nobody
Friday,
wants to work
one
mornings.
Saturday,
So it's not easy.
I feel like I'd be good at it.
All right, maybe I'll let
you want me to try it,
Sure.
and then if you hate it, you can just rip it up into 12 pieces.
Right, but you can't, you have to be fair.
No, I know, because the way everyone wants Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right?
Well, it's delivery drivers. We're talking about counter girls now.
Counter girls, usually I get 6 or 7,
weekends.
Jess gets 6 or 7, and then Courtney usually gets like 4 or 5. But now she's coming back from her like vacation, so she might need more because she's gonna be poor, because she spent a lot of money on vacation, I'm sure. She's a girl. So she's probably gonna need like 6 or 7 too, but then we have Heather who gets 2. I feel like I know. I study the schedule a lot. You don't even realize I study it. I look at it.
What's your question?
Excellent negotiating for the scheduler position. That was fantastic.
Thank you.
Fantastic negotiating skills. He doesn't listen to me.
She just wants to be able to control who works when so she can get her days off. Don't listen to her.
Oh my
I work
word.
every day, every weekend.
Because you like to work.
Look, I don't like to
You want to work less?
No.
You want to work less?
No, look.
I'll take you off the weekends.
No.
So you don't like it when there's somebody like in a position of power over you who's your same age. You don't feel like they've earned it.
Yeah.
A boss says go. A leader says, let's go. You understand? You have to make everybody feel like they're part of a
The
team.
psychic told me that I was a leader. She said, you don't like to follow, you like to lead.
Hey!
And I said, you're a psychic.
Bring her
I
in.
believe you. That's why I believe her.
You the psychic tell you that?
Well,